Hello everyone, it's already 2023, so Happy New Year, and today we will recap all of the updates and news that Zoho made in its software for the whole 2022. Obviously, in 2022, countless updates were made in software of Zoho, and we will talk only about the main updates that were made, and we will start from the Zoho CRM. There were a lot of different updates, and we will leave a link where you can see all of them in chronological order down below in the description box, and you can also read about the main ones more detailed in our blog post. So let's start from the main updates that were made in Zoho CRM. First of all was enchantments in scoring rules, so now you could add scoring to custom models of your CRM system. Also, there have been added administration tools for Zoho CRM, which included some bulk options and the interface configuration, so it's much easier for you to manage your CRM system. Also, Zoho CRM added forecasting, so if you used Zoho Analytics for the forecasts, now you can get the deep analytics inside your CRM system, and it was a great update and very useful one. Also in 2022, Zoho added to the CRM user field subform support, so now everything that you can do in record, you can also do in subform. And the last main update in Zoho CRM is portal enchantments. There have been a lot of enchantments in portal in Zoho CRM, including advanced email options. So these were the main updates that were made in Zoho CRM in 2022, and we will move to Zoho Analytics. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because we're preparing a cycle of videos, features I wish I knew before. And the first one will be Zoho CRM, and we will be talking about the features that you could miss, but they are very helpful for you. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click the notification button so you don't miss that video and the others that we make for you. And now let's move on to enchantments and updates in 2022 in Zoho Analytics. So if we're talking about the Zoho Analytics, first of all, in 2022, Zoho Analytics was recognized as a market leader for both customer experience and vendor credibility by Dresner Advisory Services. And now let's move on to enchantments and updates that were made in Zoho Analytics. Now Zoho Analytics is HIPAA compliant. Also, there have been made enchantments in data integration and data preparation. And in May 2022, there have been made updates for the enterprise plan users. So now they can sync their business application connector every hour and also view all of the synchronization history for the last 45 days. In August 2022, there have been also made enchantments to the query tables, so it was UI revamp and support for new functions. In September 2022, time slicer and line filter were made available. And in November 2022, forecast insights became a part of ZIA. Also, a great enchantment was the Zoho Click integration, so now you can share reports to Zoho Click. In November 2022, time duration was added as a new data type. Also, there have been added new data sources, notably all ODBC supported databases. And the last main update in Zoho Analytics in 2022 were enchantments for geographical visualization and tabular views. Now let's move on to updates in Zoho Learn. First of all, in 2022, Zoho has made a mobile app for Zoho Learn, which is very handy. And also there have been a lot of enchantments made in search engine, so now you can easily find the material that you're looking for. Also in 2022, Zoho Learn has made global templates for articles, so now you can write articles much faster. And the last update that Zoho is still working on are custom portals. So Zoho Learn will have more updates in 2023, and we're really excited for that. Now let's move on to enchantments that were made in Zoho Workerly. First of all, in 2022, there have been an update in geographical fencing, so now I can post job on location-based websites. Also in 2022, Zoho Workerly has made a client portal, so you can communicate with clients much more efficiently. And also shifts were made as a module, which gives you much more flexibility with shifts. And there was also a main update in billing. So now you can start billing not for only entire job, but also for a separate shift. And if we're talking about the HR applications, let's talk about the enchantments in Zoho Recruit. First of all, Zoho Recruit introduced a multi-organizational functionality that helps people participate in multiple organizations and work with multiple Recruit accounts using one set of credentials. Also, Zoho Recruit has made a powerful integration with Zoho Writer that can help you to create advanced templates for your resumes. And also Zoho Recruit has made a powerful enchantments in search engine and also added different filters and criteria that can help you to go through a lot of data with a lot of resumes. Now let's move on to social media marketing holy grail, which is Zoho Social, and there have been a lot of updates in Zoho Social during 2022. First of all, a major update in Zoho Social is that now you can schedule and post Instagram Reels and Stories, TikTok, Pinterest posts, and also YouTube Shorts. Other major updates in Zoho Social are the image editor. Now you can edit image directly from your Zoho Social account. Also advanced post analytics. Now you can see all of the analytics of the posts that you're scheduling and posting, which makes your work much easier. You can now also add carousel posts, so not only one image to the post, but multiple images to the post. You can also add hashtag groups, so you can create different groups of hashtags that you can automatically add to your post. And also because Instagram Reels posting from Zoho Social is now possible, you can obviously see the analytics on Instagram Reels directly from your Zoho Social account. And Zoho Social announced a little sneak peek of the updates that will be made in 2023. So first of all, there will be added a media library with the partners Giphy, Pixabay, and Pexel. So you will be able to choose a picture that you want to use for your social media account directly from Zoho Social, like it was made with Canva, which I think is a great integration of Zoho Social and this platform for creating content. And now let's move on to the updates in Zoho Desk. First of all, there have been added instant messaging. So instant messaging now works with different messaging platforms. The Facebook and Instagram are coming soon, but the available ones are the Telegram, the WhatsApp, Line, and WeChat. Another great update are guided conversations. So when you need to show your customer how to do it, for example, in the process of booking something or placing an order, this is a great feature that can help your customers to do that without getting lost at your website. Also in 2022, Zoho Desk introduced a low-code flow builder. So now you don't need to learn code to build a GC flow. You can build conversation with no code learning whatsoever, and you can automate your work much more easier. Also, Zoho Desk added webhooks, which obviously mean that now you can make seamless integrations with other Zoho applications or third-party developer apps. And the last main update that happened in 2022 but will be enhanced in 2023 is the update in the interface of Zoho Desk. So now it will be much more intuitive and much easier to work with. There have been also made accessibility controls updates in Zoho Desk, and you can read about them in our blog post by the link down below in the description box. And now let's talk about the updates in Workdrive. First of all, they published their API, which makes it easier for you to build up your own applications on top of the Workdrive. Also, there have been updates in Team Folder for the access to collaborative files, and now it's easier for you to work with a team on some files. Also, Workdrive made enchantments in collected files, which allow you to collect files both from internal and external users. And now let's move on to the main updates that were made in Zoho People, another HR application. First one is cost tracking for the courses of your employees. Obviously, when you're making a course for your employees, you spend some money, and now you can easily track the costs that you spend on creating a course directly in Zoho People. In 2022, FTP plugin has been added to Zoho People, so now all of the managers can share the data about the attendance of the employees securely and easily. Also in 2022, in Zoho People, there have been added manager evaluation in the learning management system. So to improve training ROI, your managers need to be empowered to analyze and evaluate the performance of their reports on the training. And the major update that was made in Zoho People in 2022 is the goal setting in performance management system that empowers you to set goals and reach them much more efficiently. And the last application with major updates in 2022 that we will be talking about in this video is Zoho Meeting. So first of all, there have been enchantments in different pricing plans, and now all of the users of the free version of Zoho Meeting can host the meetings up to 60 minutes. Also, if we're talking about the pricing plans for small business and startups, there have been edits in standard edition of Zoho Meeting starting from $1 per month. And there have been enchantments in Analytics tab in Zoho Meeting, including different parameters such as session count and session duration that can help you to analyze your work much better. And the last major enchantment in Zoho Meeting in 2022 was the integration with Zoho Flow, which can help you to automate the workflow that you have in Zoho Meeting. As you can see, there have been a lot of major updates in the main applications of Zoho ecosystem, and we haven't talked about all of the applications and all of the updates that were made there because they were made countless updates in a lot of different applications, and you can see all of the different small updates in the previous videos that we have made with Zoho updates in the last month, and we will continue doing the videos like this. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification button so you don't miss this information, because updates is always useful features that you need to know about to use them and to work more efficiently with Zoho software. And if you're interested in implementing, integrating, and personalizing the Zoho software to your needs, you can book a free 30-minute consultation with one of our experts by the link down below in the description box, and learn more about Zoho software and what we can do for you to make your experience with it much more pleasant. So thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button.